Well, today I'm making a second video. Brian's arm I printed was earlier, and now I'm making this video about this press for help and this button in here. So this is what happens when you push the button. Error 404, help not found. And it's pretty simple. Everything is printed on the Bambu printer, and it came in 4 parts. Well, six parts if I count the little latch and then this little release latch also over here. And I added these little rubber feet, even though it can be hang on a wall. As you can see, there are holes, actually four of them. You can actually put this on a wall. And then it just uses rubber bands for the latch. It's a rubber band, and for the thing to pop up, it's also a rubber band. And that's how it resets. And this is how it looks from behind. So everything is can be done also on a regular printer. What you would do is you would stop the height when the last yellow level stops, and then change the filament to black, and then print the last two layers using the black filament. And the button was printed separately, that was printed separately, and then these two pieces, the top and the box, was also printed separately. So you can download this whole thing from Bambu Lab website, makeworld.com, and um, it's uh, kind of it's kind of a fun. So far, when I showed it to my wife and a friend of mine, Brian, they both loved it. So I'm going to take it also to the Makers Club tonight and have some fun there with it. So that's a quick little video. You guys have a fantastic day. Give me a thumbs up and send your friends over as well.